Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are diving into some of the most important Linux commands you need to know. Whether you're new to Kali Linux or just want to sharpen your skills, these commands are essential. Today, I will walk you through 15 must-know commands that will help you navigate and manage your system like a professional. Now, let's get started. First up, we have ls. This command is used to list files and directories in your current folder. Let's start with the basic ls command. This lists all the files and directories in my current location. But what if we want more detailed information? We can use ls-l. Now we see more details: file permissions, owners, file sizes, and modification dates. This is really useful when you need to see more than just file names. And to show hidden files, which start with a dot, use ls-a. Hidden files are displayed now like .bashrc and .profile. You will often need this when working with system files. Next, let's talk about changing directories. This command for this is cd. To move into a directory, type cd followed by the folder name. Let's go into the document folder. Now, I'm in the documents folder. If you want to go up one level to the previous directory, use cd space dot dot. As you can see, I'm back in the home directory. If you want to go straight to the root directory, just use cd space slash. Now, I'm at the root of the file system, which is the highest level in the directory structure. Now, let's look at how to create files. This command for this is touch. Let's create a file called example.txt. If I list the file again, you can see the example.txt file has been created. To delete files, you will use the rm command. Let's go ahead and delete the file. The file has been deleted. Just remember, when you use rm, the file is gone. Now, let's talk about creating and deleting directories. To create a directory, we use the mkdir command. Let's create a folder called test folder. To verify, we can use the ls command again, and we will see our test folder there. Now, to remove a directory, we use the rmdir command, but the directory must be empty for this to work. Let's try remove test folder. Let's recreate the folder and put a file in it. As you can see, rmdir only works on empty directories. If there are files inside, you need to use the rm-r command. By using rm-r, we'll remove the folder along with its content. The -r stands for recursive, meaning it deletes everything inside the directory too. Next, we have cp and mv, two commands that are essential for copying and moving files. First, let's create a file and copy it into another directory. This command copies sample.txt into the documents folder. Let's move it back to the current directory using mv. And now it's back in the current directory. You can also use mv to rename files. For example, let's rename sample.txt to new file.txt. And now the file has been renamed. Now, let's look at sudo, one of the most important commands in Linux. This allows you to run commands with superuser privilege, which are required for system-level tasks, like installing software or modifying system files. Let's run an update command using sudo. After entering the command, I'm prompted for my password because sudo gives the command root level access. You will use sudo often when making changes to the system. Finally, let's take a look at the history command. This command shows a list of all the previous commands you have entered in your terminal session. As you can see, it shows all the commands I have run so far. You can even rerun a specific command by typing an exclamation point followed by the number. For example, exclamation 5 will rerun the 5th command in this list. Okay, that wraps up our first video on important Linux commands. These 15 commands will help you get comfortable with navigating the terminal, creating and managing files, and understanding how to interact with the system. Don't forget to subscribe for part 2, where we will dive into more advanced Linux commands. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.